Alright, back to tangible demonstrations. Today we'll be discussing model bases and vision radius. As I mentioned before, you'll want 1/144 scale models for this game. To better prepare units for this game, you can place them on bases before combat begins. If a unit can stand all on its own, you don't need to place it on a base if you don't want to. If you want to use a base for a unit, you can use good old-fashioned action bases. If you want to get creative, you can take a CD or DVD and dress it up to your preferred terrain. You'll probably end up using bases mostly for vehicles and infantry. Try to make sure there's enough space for the unit so that they don't hang off the sides. If you're putting infantry on a single stand, make sure there's enough space so that they aren't packed like sardines. For flying units, try to give them the same space as ground units, but make sure that they hover around the same height as a mobile suit's waist or chest, whichever one you can get away with. But Knight, why are we talking about this purely cosmetic feature? That's because I'm going to explain something very important to you known as the sight arc. When your unit is on a base or standing on its own, it should be clear which direction it is facing. You can mark a corner of your base, or use whichever direction the torso of your unit is facing. This direction is designated as the unit's front. From this point, you determine what the unit's sight arc or field of vision is. A unit's sight arc is a cone of vision that measures 120 degrees centered at the unit's front. Any area outside of this 120 degree arc is considered the unit's flanked zone. This is going to be important when we talk about combat.